You're driving down the highway at 70 miles per hour. Suddenly, bang! Your tire's deflating fast. You're miles from help, it's getting dark, and your phone's at 5%. This is where most drivers realize they've made a $300 mistake. Not because they got a flat tire, that happens to everyone, but because they trusted the wrong tire sealant. Or worse, they had nothing at all. Today, I'm going to show you the 7 tire sealants that mechanics and tire professionals absolutely do not want in your vehicle. And more importantly, the 3 that have literally saved drivers from dangerous roadside situations. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal which one saved a family stranded in Death Valley in 115-degree heat. This isn't just about convenience, it's about safety. Section 1. Why this matters, 0:30 to 2. Before we dive into the bad and the good, let me tell you why this topic matters more than you think. According to AAA, tire-related issues cause over 220,000 accidents every year in the United States alone. And here's the kicker. Many of these could have been avoided with the right emergency tire repair solution. But here's what the tire sealant companies don't tell you in their flashy commercials. The wrong sealant can destroy your TPMS sensors, costing you $50 to $150 per sensor to replace. Make your tire completely unrepairable, forcing you to buy a new one. Corrode your wheel rim from the inside out. Create dangerous imbalances at highway speeds. Even void your vehicle's warranty. In some cases, I learned this the hard way when I recommended a popular sealant to my neighbor. 3 months later, his tire shop hit him with a $400 repair bill because the sealant had turned into concrete inside his tire. He wasn't happy with me, and I don't blame him. That experience sent me down a rabbit hole. I talked to tire technicians, read chemical composition reports, tested products myself, and even consulted with automotive engineers. What I discovered shocked me, and it's going to change how you think about roadside tire emergencies forever. Section 2. The 7 tire sealants to avoid, 2 to 8:30. Let's start with the bad news. These are the 7 tire sealants you should absolutely avoid, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Number 7. Fix-A-Flat, original aerosol formula. I know, this one's controversial because it's so popular. You've seen it everywhere, right? Auto parts stores, gas stations, even grocery stores. But here's the truth. The original aerosol Fix-A-Flat formula contains propellants and chemicals that tire technicians absolutely hate. Why? When you bring a tire to a shop that's been treated with this stuff, it explodes out like a foam volcano when they break the bead seal. The technician gets covered in sticky, flammable goo, and they have to charge you extra for cleanup, or they'll simply refuse to repair your tire at all. A tire shop owner in Colorado told me that 60% of tires that come in with Fix-A-Flat are deemed unrepairable, not because of the puncture, but because of the sealant damage. Plus, it's highly flammable and has been known to corrode TPMS sensors over time. Number 6. Generic dollar store. Sealants. Look, we all love a good deal, but when it comes to tire sealants, that $3 can at the dollar store is going to cost you way more in the long run. These products often contain unknown chemicals, lack proper testing, and have inconsistent formulations. I've seen reports of these sealants separating inside the tire after just weeks, creating massive wheel imbalances, containing corrosive agents that eat through rubber and metal. One mechanic showed me a wheel that looked like it had been attacked by acid, all from a bargain bin sealant that its owner thought was a smart purchase. Number 5. Sealants with fiber or solid particles. These are the ones that advertise advanced fiber technology or chopped particles that seal large punctures. Sounds great in theory, right? Wrong. These fibers and solid chunks create nightmares for tire technicians. They don't distribute evenly. They create severe wheel imbalances, and they make tire repairs virtually impossible because the fibers clog up the puncture area. Even worse, they can damage your TPMS sensors by clogging the pressure sensor opening or weighing down the sensor mechanism. Number 4. Permanent sealants for temporary emergencies. Some sealants are designed as permanent solutions, meaning once you use them, that's supposed to be it. Forever. The problem? Most tire manufacturers and shops consider a tire with permanent sealant to be permanently unserviceable. You can't patch it, you can't plug it, and you certainly can't use it with tire rotation or rebalancing services. These products essentially turn a $15 repair into a $200 tire replacement. Number 3. Sealants with latex or ammonia. I'm grouping these together because they cause similar problems. Latex-based sealants were popular in the 90s and early 2000s, and some companies still make them. The issue? Latex dries out, creates chunks, and often leads to corrosion. Ammonia-based formulas are even worse. They're extremely corrosive to aluminum alloy wheels and can cause catastrophic failure of TPMS sensors. A woman in Texas shared her story online about how an ammonia-based sealant corroded her expensive aftermarket wheels from the inside, causing $800 in damage, all to fix a puncture that would have cost $20 to patch professionally. Number 2. Old or expired sealants. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people keep a can of tire sealant in their trunk for years. Here's the thing. Most tire sealants have a shelf life of 2 to 4 years. After that, the chemicals separate, the propellants lose pressure, and the product becomes ineffective, or worse, harmful. I tested a 6-year-old can of a major brand sealant, and when I used it, it came out as a watery mess that didn't seal anything. The driver who's counting on that old can has a false sense of security that could leave them stranded. Always check expiration dates. Number 1. Sealants that aren't labeled TPMS safe. This is the number one mistake people make, especially with newer vehicles. Since 2008, all vehicles sold in the U.S. are required to have tire pressure monitoring systems. These sensors are delicate electronic components that cost $50 to $150 each to replace. Any sealant that doesn't specifically say TPMS safe or TPMS friendly can destroy these sensors through corrosion, chemical reaction, or physical blockage. I spoke with a Honda dealership service manager who told me they see 3 to 4 cases per month of destroyed TPMS sensors from incompatible sealants. That's an expensive emergency fix. Transition, 8:30 to 9. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great, you've just eliminated every option I thought I had. What am I supposed to use? Don't worry. That's exactly what we're about to cover. These next 3 tire sealants are what professionals actually recommend, what I keep in my own vehicles, and what have proven themselves in real-world emergency situations. Section 3. The 3 tire sealants that actually save you, 9 to 13:30. Number 3. Slime Smart Spare Emergency. Tire Repair Sealant. Let me start with Slime's Smart Spare formula, and I want to be clear. This is not the same as their regular slime product. The Smart Spare is a game changer. Here's why it made my top 3. First, it's specifically formulated to be TPMS safe. The engineers at Slime redesigned their formula to be non-corrosive and sensor-friendly. Second, it uses a water-based formula with FibroSeal technology that actually works without the chunky particles that destroy tires. It seals punctures up to 1/4 inch, which covers about 85% of common tire punctures. Third, and this is huge, tire shops can actually repair tires that have been treated with Smart Spare. It washes out easily with water, doesn't corrode the wheel, and doesn't create the toxic mess that technicians hate. Real-world example. A delivery driver in Minnesota got a nail puncture 40 miles from the nearest town in -15 degrees Fahrenheit weather. He used Smart Spare, and it held perfectly for the 100-mile drive back to civilization. The tire shop was able to properly patch the tire, and it's still in service 2 years later. The downside? It's a temporary solution, good for about 100 miles. But for an emergency, that's exactly what you need. Cost? Around $10 to $12 per can, worth every penny. Number 2, Airman Rescue Pro Plus. Now, we're getting into professional grade territory. The Airman Rescue Pro Plus is what I call the Swiss Army knife of tire repair solutions. It's not just a sealant, it's a complete tire repair system. What makes it special? It comes in a compact bottle with an integrated air compressor. That means you're not just sealing the puncture, you're also reinflating the tire to proper pressure. No more hoping you can limp to a gas station. The formula is completely water-soluble and TPMS safe, developed specifically for modern vehicles. It seals punctures up to 6 millimeters, about 1/4 inch, and works in temperatures from minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's the kicker. It's used by professional roadside assistance services and even some police departments. That tells you everything about its reliability. Real-world example. A family driving through Death Valley in July, 115 degrees Fahrenheit heat, got a puncture 30 miles from the nearest help. Cell service was spotty. The father had an Airman Rescue Pro Plus in the trunk. Within 10 minutes, the tire was sealed and inflated. They drove the remaining 50 miles to the next town safely. The tire shop later said the product worked so cleanly that they barely had to clean the tire before doing a permanent repair. The downside? It's more expensive, running about $40 to $50. But consider this. One tow truck call costs $100 to $200. One ruined tire costs $150 to $300. Suddenly, $45 for peace of mind seems like a bargain. Number 1, Orange Seal Tire Sealant. And now my number 1 pick, the one I keep in all my family vehicles, Orange Seal. Orange Seal was originally developed for high-performance bicycle tires, but they've created an automotive version that's absolutely exceptional. Why is this my top choice? First, the formula is environmentally friendly and non-toxic. It's made from natural ingredients, contains no harmful chemicals, and is completely biodegradable. Second, it's the only sealant I've tested that can remain inside your tire as a preventative measure. Most sealants are reactive. You use them after you get a puncture. Orange Seal can be installed proactively and will seal punctures instantly as they happen, often before you even know you have one. Third, it lasts up to 2 years inside the tire without drying out or corroding anything. It's water-based, latex-free, and works with all TPMS sensors. Fourth, tire technicians love it because it washes out completely with water. No sticky residue, no corrosion, no mess. Real-world example. An off-road enthusiast in Arizona uses Orange Seal in all 4 tires of his truck. Over 2 years of desert driving, he's had 7 punctures from thorns, nails, and sharp rocks, every single one sealed automatically. He didn't even know he had most of them until he inspected his tires during routine maintenance. The tire shop reported 0 corrosion, 0 sensor damage, and all 7 punctures were small enough that the tire remained in service. The downside? It's the most expensive option, running $60 to $80 for a set, enough for all 4 tires. You also need to install it preventatively or use it with a compressor for emergency repairs. But here's my take. If you drive in remote areas, have family members who travel alone or want. Section 4, Making the Right Choice, 1330 to 1430. So, which one should you choose? Here's my recommendation. Choose Slime, Smart, Spare. If you want an affordable emergency backup. You drive mostly in urban or suburban areas. You want something simple to keep in the trunk, just in case. Choose Airman Rescue Pro Plus if you take road trips or drive in remote areas. You want a complete solution with air compressor included. You're willing to invest a bit more for premium reliability. You have family members who might not be comfortable changing a tire. Choose Orange Seal if you want the absolute best protection. You drive in areas with lots of road debris, construction zones, rural areas, off-road. You want a preventative solution that works before problems happen. You're willing to invest in long-term tire protection. Personally, I have both Orange Seal installed in my tires and an Airman Rescue Pro Plus in the trunk. That might sound like overkill, but when my daughter is driving 200 miles to college, I sleep better knowing she has double protection. Closing, 1430 to 1500. Look, here's the bottom line. Tire emergencies happen to everyone. It's not if, it's when. The difference between a minor inconvenience and a dangerous situation often comes down to one thing: having the right tool for the job. Don't trust your safety to a $3 can of mystery chemicals from the dollar store. Don't rely on outdated products that will cost you hundreds in repairs. Invest in quality, invest in safety, and you'll thank yourself when that flat tire happens. If this video saved you from making an expensive mistake, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real-world automotive advice that actually helps you, and drop a comment below. Which tire sealant are you using, and has it ever saved you in an emergency? Remember, the best tire repair is the one you have with you when you need it. Drive safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.